While I was studying prefixes, I found something weird, something unusual, something contradicts the meaning of prefixes. Would you like to know it? Follow with me and let me know about your opinion, okay? So first, let's see the meaning of prefix. So what are prefixes? They are syllables added before certain word. Meaning of new word depends on the prefix. So it's in, im, an, this, etc. Often used to give adjective a negative or an opposite meaning. Let's focus on this, okay? Often used to give adjective a negative or an opposite meaning, okay? And we all know that, for example, like, dislike, possible, impossible, appropriate, inappropriate, etc. We all agree on that, right? So remember this definition, okay? Here I have another definition which says almost the same thing. So, prefixes, a word part added to the beginning of a root word. It changes the meaning of the word. Focus on it changes the meaning of the word. And here they gave us some examples. For example, the prefix this, it means not or the absence of. By means to. Im or in means not. Focus on in, which means not. Okay, here is the confusion. Adding in to a word, does it always mean the opposite? Does it always change the meaning? Let's find out. For instance, take this example. Flammable, inflammable. Flammable, and we add the prefix in, it becomes inflammable, right? Does flammable mean something not like inflammable? Is inflammable the opposite of flammable? Did we change the meaning of the word? I don't think so. Why? Because both of them, flammable and inflammable, refer to something that easily catch fire. Okay. Both of them refer to something that easily catches fire. It means they are not the opposite. They mean the same thing. Here is another example. Habitable and inhabitable. Are they opposites? No, because both of them mean suitable for living. Suitable for living. So, what is in doing there? This is the first part. We have another part. Valuable, invaluable. Actually, they all mean something valuable. However, valuable is just normal. Invaluable is extremely valuable. It means more than valuable, something sacred, something really important for you. That's the only difference. However, they all mean something valuable. This is the first example. We have another example. Famous and infamous. Be careful, it's not infamous, it's pronounced infamous. Infamous. Famous, infamous. Both of them mean something is well known or someone is well known. However, famous is used when someone is known for doing good things. All right, let's underline good things. It's something positive. Okay? Good reputation. Here we have an example for that. He's famous for helping the needy. He's famous for helping the needy. What makes him famous? Helping the people who need help. Okay, so this is for famous. Infamous, on the other hand, is used when someone is known for doing something bad, for doing some bad things, which means bad reputation. People know him, however, for doing some bad things. Okay? I have an example for you here, which is negative. Infamous, on the other hand, is used when someone is known for doing some bad things. Example, he's infamous for selling expired products. Selling expired products is not something proper, right? So he's famous negatively. This is called infamous. However, famous and infamous, both of them mean someone is well known. The only difference is famous when someone is known positively. Infamous is when someone is known negatively. All right. Hopefully this video could help you a little bit with the in prefix. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment your opinion, subscribe if you are new. Till the next time, take good care of yourselves. See ya. Bye-bye.